Tip number 9. Measure your progress. Now it comes to use behavioral psychology. You have your goal, you create your morning habits, now it's time to boost it up and measure progress. Prepare on the whiteboard or piece of paper table that will show your progress. Mark all days, mark your goal, note how big progress you have to achieve each day and week. Choose color to mark down days. Every time you will get up, do your morning routine and start working on your goal, mark each day with eye-catching color on your plan. What it gives to us? You see the progress, and maybe not tomorrow, maybe not in the next week, but somewhere in the future you will have a little breakdown. Then, when you will see how many you accomplished, how long you stick to the plan, it would build again your motivation to move forward. Such plan and marking it allows us to measure progress, our ups and downs, give us some information what can we improve, when we have bigger motivation, when can appear some kind of turbulences during this flight. You can also apply special rewards for fulfilling your plan and achieving, for example, your small weekly goals. For example, your main goal is to read 8 books in next 2 months by reading 35 pages every day in the morning. So now, choose one big reward for yourself for achieving this main goal and 8 small ones rewards that you can get each week. Remember to choose rewards wisely. For example, if your goal is to lose weight, stop shooting in your knee by choosing rewards like fast foods or candies. Try to choose rewards that can improve your progress. In example of running, maybe you will buy new shoes or smartband that can follow your progress. In case of losing weight, rewards that can be worth of considering are buying new clothes with smaller size, buying new food containers that will help you to measure right food amounts, or maybe consultation with dietitian or weekend outside the home at the beautiful forest or seaside where you will also be able to train and you will be rewarded by beautiful nature that you will be surrounded. Also, you can set the same rules as a negative boosters. Just write down each week what you are going to do if you will not accomplish your goal, and obligate to do that in front of your friends and family. So, for example, you can create your plan minimum that have to be accomplished. For example, running 4 times a week. And if you accomplish that, there is no reward and there is no negative booster. But if you fail and run only 3 times, you have to use your negative booster. So something you don't like or what need additional energy and engagement. For example, 2 additional trainings and cleaning the house. And also, you create plan maximum. On our example, you will run let's say 6 or 7 times a week, and if you achieve this level, you reward yourself with a prize. For example, new smartband will count your steps, track distance, measure time, burn calories, and so on. But remember about negative boosters, not to choose them they're terrified by thinking by them. It's something that you don't feel you want it, but you are able to do. So now it's time for you to prepare such plan. Big rewards and small ones. Think about negative boosters and choose them wisely. See you in the next episode.